There are different types of mint in Jamaica, including apple mint, although it is rare. Apple mint is a type of mint with a refreshing flavor reminiscent of both mint and apple. It's often used in culinary dishes and herbal teas. Some of the benefits are: it can help with digestion and relieve nausea, bloating, and gas. It can soothe sore throats, coughs, and colds, as well as reduce inflammation and pain. It can freshen breath and prevent oral infections. It stimulates the brain and improve memory, alertness, and mood. Plus, its refreshing flavor and aroma make it a delightful addition to many dishes and beverages. Watch short-form video to see how I made apple mint tea. Here are some additional information. You can bruise the leaves slightly with your fingers to release more flavor. You can adjust the strength of your tea by adding more or fewer apple mint leaves and adjusting the steeping time to suit your taste preferences. If your tea cools down while steeping and you prefer it warmer, you can easily reheat it by pouring boiling water into a container large enough to hold your teacup or mug. Then, carefully place the cup with the steeping tea into the container with the boiling water. Allow it to sit for a minute or two, ensuring the tea warms up to your desired temperature without oversteeping the leaves. Once reheated, carefully remove the cup from the container and continue to enjoy your freshly steeped apple mint tea.